I believe in having a serious illness.
Doesn't mean I have to be serious.
I believe riding a horse is better than riding in a wheelchair.
I believe camping out in the woods is better than camping out in a waiting room.
I believe a shot with a bow and arrow beats a shot in the arm any day.
I believe going fishing is better than going to the doctor's office.
I believe eating s'mores is better than eating hospital food.
I believe taking a hike is better than taking medicine.
I believe dips are better than drips.
I believe dancing with my friends is better than dancing around doctor's appointments.
We believe camp is good medicine.
Please help us build a camp for children who are seriously ill.
Your donations are needed to make our dream a reality.
Call 614-236-0881 or visit flyinghorsefarms.org for more information.